Hi, everyone. Welcome back. Have you ever heard the saying, when it rains, it pours? Today is a little bit of motivational speaking. Today is a little bit of a pick me up that hopefully, if you are going through challenging times, that you can have some light at the end of the tunnel. That when it rains, it pours, my friends. And especially to my entrepreneurs that might be watching, um, or if you're just looking for a windfall of fortune to come your way. One thing that I wanted to say in this short little video is that all you do is just keep moving. You are one customer away, one decision away, 1 hour away of effort from getting everything that you ever wanted, and then some, and then some. Things happen. Have you ever heard the saying, like, things happen in threes? Well, if you're in the business world and you're trying to make it happen, things happen by like the 10x to the power, like to the power of 10. You just have to be patient. You just have to keep trying. It's not always easy. I will tell you from personal experience that it is not always easy. More than a few times in the last year, I'm like, oh, this is it. This is it. This is going to be the breakthrough. I'm going to get this. Like, I'm going to start having more money coming in. Life is going to be great. Life is going to be wonderful. And then I go through the valley of despair of, yeah, no, this is a lot harder. I don't have the skill set. This vehicle that I'm trying to get success in is not fast enough for where I want to go, or extremely labor intensive, or super technologically advanced. There has to be a better way, an easier way, a faster way. Gosh darn it, there has to be a lazier way to get more money coming in. And so I just wanted to try to give a little encouragement that if you're struggling and going through the hard times, if you're trying to get your business up off the ground, I know it's not easy. Believe me, I know. Pretty soon, I'm going to have to go through the trenches and start digging up a different way to do what I'm doing. That all to be said, when it rains, it pours. And so here's the one thing that's really important. It's really important because a lot of entrepreneurs say it is, you tried this, you've tried that, you've tried 10 times. 10 times you've tried something to break out of your 9 to 5 to get some additional income, and it didn't happen. It's like the universe is saying, no, not yet, my friends. Not yet. You're not ready yet for the fortune that's coming your way, for the power that is coming your way. Not yet. Hang in there. Hang in there. Because if you've done, it can be one or two things, it can be 10 or 15, the number can be unlimited. You might be that one decision, that one investment, that one tutorial, that one class, that one WAP. You might be that one click away from the beginning that is going to be a whole new future for you, an elevation on a whole different level and plane, where you can literally create your own world. You can pull amazing, wonderful, talented people to you. You can have beautiful, wonderful partners, friends, and family that will understand once you break through. Because when you're trying to break through, nobody understands. And everyone, look, no one's going to say, "Oorah, you got this." Like, "Oh, I totally believe you're going to put a $500 million business together. Like, you're going to get this." It doesn't happen that way. More often than not, you're going to get the what? You want to do what? You want to be an entrepreneur? Are you nuts? Are you crazy? I think when I first told some of my closest people in my life, like, this is what I want to do, I was like, literally, I was asked, like, are you nuts? Why do you want to work 80 plus hours a week? Why in the world would you want to create your own business? All the responsibility of that, like, why would you want to do that? Are you crazy? Are you nuts? Have you lost it? And it's like, no, I haven't lost it. I've just seen what reality is. I've pierced through the veil of illusion in the 1% that wants to keep you working for them, because we need someone to, do the minimum wage jobs and, take care of the car and, provide all these services. Everyone needs those things. But to those that truly make it, to the other side of actual success, and dare I say it, not even rich, because for me, rich is like it comes and it goes really quickly. Like you can get it and you can lose it really quickly, like in the lottery. But true wealth can pass through generations. Generations, my friends. But you just have, and that's the thing, is you could be the one. You come from nothing, you come from nowhere, you come from a bad background, there's not a lot of opportunity for you. The winds of change have come around. They have come around. In the past, if you were a business person, you didn't start your entrepreneurship journey until your 40s or 50s. You needed all that time to build up your assets so that you could go buy that corner store, so you could build your bakery, or so you can invest in research and development so you can create this amazing app or tool. In the past, like up till now, literally just now, this wave of success, this wave of opportunity is literally just hitting now. And what this opportunity is it favors the young. It favors the technologically advanced generation. Whereas people a lot older than me, like they used to have to dial the phone with the little twirly thing, and like what was a computer? That didn't exist. As technology is advancing faster and faster, I will be honest, like I'm fairly technologically advanced, but even I am like, wow, there's so many apps, there's so many things to learn and actually order to enhance my YouTube videos, to enhance my WAP, to enhance what it is that I want to do, to enhance the work that I do to pay the bills right now. Technology is for the young. It's for the agile mind that can learn things and engages with it. So people in their later years who are not used to technology, who are scared by it, threatened by it, they are not going to be the ones that are going to create the app that can show you how to do trading in a day. They're not going to be the ones that are going to put a YouTube podcast together or a channel together to show you how to better yourself. That's not going to be them. So who is it? Who are the people that are going to take advantage of this wave? It's the younger generations. It's the generations that are even after me. I'm in my 30s. Like it's going to be the generations, the 13-year-old right now, the 14-year-old that might watch this today. Yes, I'm talking to you. You have the opportunity to do something that has never been done before. And that is that if you engage yourself and challenge yourself to better yourself, and to create something with technology. I am getting bamboozled on some of my social media feeds about this tutorial, this AI, that AI, like how to grow on Instagram, how to grow on YouTube, how to create your own business, how to do copywriting, how to do affiliate marketing, like the list, how to do drop shipping, like the list goes on and on about the ridiculous numbers of ways that you can make money online. And all you have to do is try. All you have to do is just give it a whirl. And remember this, you're one client, one decision, one click. You are one click away from the future that was always meant to be yours if you just keep moving. And I am saying that to myself right now. I'm in Iman's Monetize. It's the last program that I'm doing with him. I've done a lot lately to settle down my life and get all my ducks in a row. Work settled down, health is settled down, relationships are settled down. Don't get me started on that. The dating scene is just, oh, good Lord. Got some new videos coming on that. Very general, don't share personal stuff, but I've had some good ideas to share with you guys on that. And that all to be said is that when it rains, it pours. Both good and bad. So, normally if you're having a run of bad luck, they usually come in 3, they say. Hang in there. I know it's thunderstorming, the winds are or the windows are rattling. You're going through a hard time. Hang in there. Remember, you're just one click, one customer, one decision away from making it. And here's the other thing, and this is where it gets really beautiful, my friends. If you're an entrepreneur, or even if you're trying to get that promotion at your work, when good things start happening, they start happening all at once. Everyone starts discovering your YouTube channel. Everyone wants your product. Everyone starts to see you because of this digital age. And therefore, you are one day, 1 minute, one click away from the future that you're destined for. All you have to do is try. And so I just wanted to share with you, when it rains, it pours. You better go get your umbrella because it's coming for you sooner rather than later. See you guys in the next video. Have a good one.